Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing the world of power tools to uncover the top 5 best corded angle grinders for both the weekend warrior and the seasoned pro. If you're looking to cut, grind, or polish with precision and power, you're in the right place. I've compared dozens and narrowed down the list based on personal experiences, user reviews, and different budgets. I have shared Amazon links in the description below to all the featured angle grinders, so make sure to check them out. Coming in at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER angle grinder tool. Now, if you're just starting out, or you need a reliable, no-frills grinder for lighter DIY tasks, this is a fantastic entry point. It's usually in that sweet spot of under $50, making it incredibly accessible. With a 6.5 amp motor and 10,000 revolutions per minute, it handles basic grinding and cutting surprisingly well. The 3-position side handle is a nice touch for comfort and control. It's got a solid user rating, which for its price point, tells you it's a crowd pleaser for casual use. It's not going to tackle heavy-duty industrial jobs, but for home projects, it's a dependable workhorse. Moving up to number 4, we have the Bosch angle grinder. This one steps up the game slightly, typically retailing under $80. Bosch is known for its quality, and this grinder delivers a consistent 11,000 revolutions per minute. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, which is a huge plus when you're working in tight spaces or for extended periods. The Bosch angle grinder boasts an impressive user rating with thousands of positive reviews, indicating its widespread popularity and reliability among users. It's a great choice for those who need a bit more finesse and durability than a basic model, without breaking the bank. Our number 3 pick is the Makita angle grinder with aluminum case. Now we're getting into the mid-range, usually priced at under $120. Makita is a name synonymous with professional-grade tools, and this grinder lives up to that reputation. It features a robust 7.5 amp motor and 11,000 revolutions per minute, giving you plenty of power for more demanding tasks. What really sets it apart is Makita's labyrinth construction, which seals and protects the motor and bearings from dust and debris, a crucial feature for longevity, especially in dusty workshop environments. Plus, it often comes with an aluminum case and grinding wheels, adding excellent value. Users consistently give it around 4.8 stars, praising its durability and performance. At number 2, we have the DEWALT angle grinder. This is a professional standard, and you'll often find it in the $90 to $110 range. DEWALT is a go-to for many professionals, and the DWE402 is a prime example of why. With a powerful 11 amp motor and 11,000 revolutions per minute, it chews through material with ease. The dust ejection system is a game changer, significantly extending tool life by expelling harmful dust and debris. It also features oversized brushes for longer brush life and a paddle switch for user comfort. This grinder consistently earns a top user rating, a testament to its reliability and power for rigorous use. If you're doing serious work, this is a fantastic investment. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best corded angle grinder is the Metabo HPT angle grinder. This is our high-end, professional choice, typically found between $180 to $200. Metabo HPT brings some serious innovation to the table with its 12 amp AC brushless motor. What does brushless mean for you? More efficiency, more power, and a longer tool life with less maintenance. The variable speed control is a huge advantage, allowing you to match the speed to the application, whether you're grinding, cutting, or polishing delicate materials. It also boasts an ultra-slim grip for superior control and comfort. Overall, this is a professional-grade tool with advanced features that serious users will appreciate. It's built for precision, power, and longevity, making it the ultimate choice for both demanding DIYers and professionals alike. So there you have it, my top 5 corded angle grinders. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking for a top-tier professional tool, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to check the Amazon links in the description below for the best deals on the featured angle grinders. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have another recommendation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews. See you next time.